Okay, hi, welcome back to my channel. Right now we are in the middle of the road, and I'm about to get out and show you why.
Help me back up. I can't see the...
See, I can't see.
Just get over there and let me back up.
Look at, we're in a total blizzard. Can't do anything. Look at, there's our truck. Dad's gonna try and back up the car. There's our mom. Oh my god, it's freezing out here. Out of 17 years of my life, I have never seen it this bad. That's so big, it's way over my head. And the snow went up to here on my car. Adrian's driveway. It is so bad, and if we have school tomorrow, they are freaking insane.
Maybe this far away.
Oh, the wind. The wind. Oh, cold. I need to grab myself from the car.
Here. Take these gloves.
Me and you gotta come out every hour to keep this going.
Yeah. I'm in the car now. That is what it was. Hold on. This is freaking insane. I've never seen it snow this bad before. Oh, I just fell backwards. Oh my goodness, we're gonna try to walk to the... Oh! My mom recorded me walking through Edge's thing, and I'll try and put it in. Where's the car keys? Oh my god, it's freezing. Can't even see. Where's the car keys? So I can unlock the door. Oh, thank god. Here, do you want this broom? Oh my god, look at the porch. Oh lord. This is bad. This is really bad. My camera's so wet right now. This is bad. Get out of the way, Ida. I just slid right into the... Oh, freaking, look at my shoes. Look at those things. Those peanuts. My pants are completely soaked right now. And so, if we have school Monday, today's Sunday, they are insane. We could barely even get back to my house. Let's see what it looks like from my window. Okay. Oh, there's some Valentine's Day stickers. Look at that. That is insane. I have never seen it this bad. Ever. And I know I keep saying that, but this just is wild. Do you hear that wind? So, I just got home, back to my house from babysitting with Adria, and I opened that door. We are completely snowed in. The snow was up to my thighs, almost up to my waist. This ain't good. We're having such a bad winter this year. It is so bad. So I was gonna vlog tomorrow maybe at school, but if I don't, it's because of the snow. And this is like actually really scary, because what if like the power might go out? Like the news was already saying like beware of power outages, like prepare for them. And then the heat goes off and then we're screwed. I'm sorry I look so bad. I've been babysitting all night and day with Adria. But I can't believe this. I've never seen it this bad before. Like, yeah, it snowed heavily, but within like 2 minutes, there's already like that much snow on the ground. And people are out plowing for other people, but that's not gonna stay. The plowed driveways are not gonna stay. And, oh my god, people, we're not even supposed to be on the roads. My parents just had to come and get me because I couldn't walk home in this. Like, I only have this sweatshirt on. Fireball. I only have this sweatshirt on. I would have froze. I mean, I froze just standing out there for that little time I was vlogging. And I'm sorry that this isn't like a normal video I would post on my channel. Sorry I had to end that. I shut the door. I even recorded me shutting the door, and apparently it was wide open when my dad came in, and now my dog is out running. This is not good. I can't even remember what I was talking about. This is scary. We're in like a blurricane. Oh. Look at that snow. The winds are like up to like 50 miles an hour or something. That's ridiculous. Look at that. You can hardly even see your neighbor's house. You hear that wind? And look at the snow. The snow is almost up to my window. Like if I opened my window right now, I could probably like just reach down and grab some. So I think this is gonna be today's video. I know it was a short one, but a lot of people have told me that they like short videos too. And so I want to try and change up my channel a little bit, have long videos and short videos, because I personally like editing both of them. Like long videos, they take a long time to edit obviously, but short ones I can do really quickly, edit quickly, and upload quickly and get them up for you guys to watch. But thank you so much for watching this. This was such an unplanned video. I had something else planned, but this is way more interesting to me to film than what I was gonna do. So I'll just save that until next Saturday's video. But I hope you like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you know every time I upload a brand new video. And I hope this blurricane will pass by soon, because this is too much. So stay safe for everyone who's in this snowstorm. We're in it together. So thank you for watching. Bye.